Returning JSON object as response in Spring Boot introduction. In modern applications, especially REST APIs, data is usually exchanged in JSON format. Spring Boot makes it very easy to return JSON responses automatically. You commonly return JSON when building REST APIs, sending data to front-end, React Angular Vue, integrating with other services, exposing microservices. Spring Boot handles JSON conversion internally using libraries like JSON. What does returning JSON object mean? It means sending a structured response like name, John, age, 30, instead of plain text. In simple terms, Java object means converted to JSON, means sent as HTTP response. Example concept. Java object means Spring Boot means JSON response. Why this is important? Without JSON, plain text response, hard to parse, not structured. With JSON, structured data, easy for front-end, standard format. Example concept. Structured response means better API communication. How Spring Boot converts to JSON. Spring Boot uses JSON, default, process. Controller returns object, means JSON converts means JSON sent to client. Method 1, using @REST controller, recommended. Example import, org Spring Framework, web.bind.annotation. REST controller, public class, user controller. Get mapping, user. Public user, get user. Return new user, John, 30. User class, public class user. Private string name, private int age. Constructor, getters, setters. Output name, John, age, 30. Example concept. Object returned means auto JSON conversion. Method 2, using @response body. If using @controller. Import org.springframework.stereotype controller. Import org.springframework.web.bind.annotation. Controller, public class user controller. Get mapping /user. @response body, public user get user. Return new user, John, 30. Example concept. Response body means tells Spring to return JSON. Method 3, returning list as JSON. Get mapping, users. Public list users, get users. Return list of new user John, 30. New user Jane, 25. Output, name John, age 30. Name Jane, age 25. Example concept. List means converted to JSON array. Method 4, using response entity. You can return JSON with status control. Get mapping top user. Public response entity user, get user. Return response entity.ok. New user, John. Example concept. Response entity means JSON plus HTTP status. Method 5, returning map as JSON. At getMappingInfo, public map of string object getInfo returns map of name, John, age 30. Output, name, John, age 30. Example concept. Map means JSON object. Method 6, custom JSON fields, JSON annotations. You can customize JSON output. Example, import com.fasterxml.json.annotation.json property. Public class user @JSON property username private string name. Private int age output username John age 30. Example concept. Annotations means control JSON structure. Method 7, ignore fields. Import com.fattenjackson.annotation JSON ignore. Public class user private string name JSON private string password. Example concept. Sensitive data means excluded from JSON. Method 8. Pretty JSON output spring.jackson.serialization.indent output.true. Example concept. Readable JSON means better debugging. Real-world example controller @getMapping product. Public product get product. Return new product 1 laptop 1200. Output ID 1 name laptop. Price, 1200. Example concept. API means JSON response, means front-end consumes, common mistakes. 1. Using @controller without @response body, returns view instead of JSON. 2. Missing getters setters. JSON cannot serialize object. 3. Circular references leads to infinite JSON loop. 4. Returning string instead of object. Return name John. Not recommended. 5. Not including JSON dependency. Usually included via Spring Boot Starter Web Best Practices. Best practices include: use @REST controller for REST APIs. Return objects instead of manually building JSON. Use DTOs for responses. Hide sensitive fields @JSON ignore. Use response entity for control. Validate response structure. Example concept. Clean objects means clean JSON responses. Advantages. Advantages include automatic conversion, minimal code, standard format, easy front-end integration, powerful customization. Challenges. Challenges include handling complex objects, managing circular references, customizing JSON output, debugging serialization issues. Concepts learned. By learning this topic, you understand Spring Boot returns JSON. How JSON works. How to return objects, lists, maps. How to customize JSON output. How to control response structure. Simple definition. Returning JSON in Spring Boot. The process of converting Java objects into JSON format and sending them as HTTP responses. Final summary. Spring Boot makes returning JSON very simple. Using @REST controller and returning a Java object is enough for automatic JSON conversion using JSON. You can return objects, lists, maps, custom responses. Spring Boot handles serialization automatically, making it easy to build modern REST APIs.